watch it and I cringe. And I'm sick of filming this intro, so I'm just gonna do this one take and that's gonna be it. You know, I don't really see the point of intros anymore. Like, you clicked on the video, you clearly know what it's gonna be about. I'm showing you what I'm packing. So let's just get started with the first category of things that I'm going to bring, which is clothes.
We take no prisoners alive. We don't negotiate. This is the beginning. Only the quickest will survive. You can't get away from us.
My tactic to pack light is to basically wear the same thing every day. I'm wearing the bulkiest clothes while traveling so that I don't have to carry them, which are long pants, a long sleeve shirt, and a sweatshirt. This is my warmer outfit, and then I'm also bringing 2 pairs of shorts and a short sleeve shirt, or maybe 2, I still haven't decided, for when things get warmer. And this will also be my pajamas because we're all about consolidation. The thing I like about this is that even though it isn't a lot of clothes, they're all very layerable, so I can kind of create new outfits by mixing and matching different items. I just use a sink to wash whatever needs a refresher, and it's usually dry within a day or 2 maximum. And the biggest factor, at least in my opinion, that helps me downsize my items is to wear the only shoes that I'm bringing. As usual, I'm wearing the comfiest option that I can run and walk in, but also look nice enough to attend something a bit fancier, although there's still sneakers, but I'm not going to anything very formal. Moving on to the bathroom section of my bag, I try to have pretty low-waist items. I am trying to use up all of the packaged toothpaste and deodorants and stuff that I had before I started making my own, so I'm just taking this opportunity to use up some of the old products that I had. Also, if you're traveling with other people, you can coordinate and make sure that only one person is bringing nail clippers, for example, and one person is bringing tweezers, rather than having a nail clipper surplus and needing to go out and buy tweezers. I tried to stuff it all in this reusable bag, which kind of worked. Not really, but at least I fit most of it in. Lastly, we have the exciting miscellaneous items that include everything else that I'm packing. My computer, Kindle, phone, headphones, annoying chargers, some paper to do practice problems on, and a pencil. Of course, my travel companion is coming because you are never too old to have stuffed animals and to bring them with you on a trip. Okay, slight last minute packing additions. I am bringing 2 shirts instead of 1. And then I'm also bringing gloves because first of all, I look like a spy with them. Second of all, they protect my hands from the sun. They kind of look cool. They're actually for arthritis. I don't have arthritis, but yeah, so let's get it. Why does that look so weird? Anyways, it doesn't matter. Here is my bag, and I'm gonna show you how everything fits in it. So of course we have Loa, and then all of my kind of clothes stuff is down there, and then there's a decent amount of room for me to fit my bags of oatmeal and beans because you gotta have the essentials. And then I decided to put all my bathroom stuff in this pocket in front because that bag was just not working out. So yeah, that's basically the volume that everything takes up, and he's very excited. Are you excited? Yeah. Okay, let's go. Okay, here are my luxury food items. I'm bringing oatmeal in this bag and beans in this bag, and then we have some fruit that we need to bring.
And we're back in the same position as the intro because this is actually the same clip. You're just seeing it at the end of the video. If you have plants at home and you don't know how to keep them watered, I don't know how to keep them watered, but I'm trying this new method. Okay, well, clearly this method is not ideal because water is spilling everywhere, but I thought that I could at least show you what I'm trying this time. I've never tried this before. Once we get back, I will add a comment underneath in the comment section of this video and update you to let you know if it actually worked or not. So the method that I'm using is the like cotton string method. You're supposed to use either cotton rope or cotton twine or just something cotton. I use shoelaces. WikiHow said that that would work. And then basically you just have like I just have a jar of water, and you stick the shoelaces in the water, and then stick them in the soil of your plants. Just as long as there's some part of the shoelace that's in the soil and also in the water, the cotton will apparently absorb the water and like have it travel through the shoelace into the soil. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that. Maybe got some inspiration or some ideas on how you can pack lighter. Basically, the two tricks are to wear the same thing every day and only bring one pair of shoes and just like be okay with that. So whatever packing methods you enjoy, that's great. Hopefully I could reach some of my other fellow packing fanatics out there, and we can bond over packing. So yeah, I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.